In this part, I'll help you activate the KOOS Alarm Watch S4. Activate your SIM card in your mobile phone first. You must activate the SIM card in your phone, not in the KOOS device. Use your own local SIM card from a provider in your country. Activate it in your phone and check that mobile data and SMS work correctly. Then place the SIM card in the KOOS device. Insert the SIM card into the KOOS 4. Place the device by the window or outside for the best connection. Insert the SIM card into the KOOS S4 like this. The copper contacts of the SIM card facing up. The SIM tray with the screw hole at the bottom and the SIM card with the slanted corner at the bottom right. Then press the power button for 3 seconds to start the watch. If the device was already on, take out the SIM card and press the power button for 3 seconds to turn it off. Insert the SIM card back into the device. Press the power button for 3 seconds and the KOOS S4 will turn back on. Connect the device to the KOOS Watch app. Download the KOOS Watch Your Valuables app and create an account via Register. The password must contain letters and numbers, but no special characters like exclamation marks, hashtags, and so on. Connect the device to the KOOS app. Place the device outside or by the window for the best connection. Press the scan button to pair the device. That's the square with the line through it. Scan the QR code by pressing the blue SOS button on the device once. Do not use the QR code that is in the box. Name the device and specify the relationship to the user. The device is now being paired. You may need to log in again. After that, you'll see the device's location in the KOOS app. You can find more info about the device in the printed manual. Add emergency SOS contacts. First, click on the wrench at the bottom of the screen. Then select SOS alarm numbers. Add the alarm number here. Don't forget the area code. So for England, 0044. Activate fall detection. First, click on the wrench at the bottom of the screen. Select fall detection. Indicate whether you would like to be called in an emergency. Also specify the sensitivity level. This ranges from 1 to 8. 1 is the most sensitive, 8 is the least. Deactivate voicemail. Make sure that the voicemail for the first 2 ESOS numbers is off. Otherwise, the watch sees this as an answered call and won't dial the next emergency number. Another solution is using 2 SIM cards or an eSIM card. One for the voicemail and one for the SOS number without voicemail. Battery saver mode, adjust working mode or power saving mode. First, click on the wrench icon and select working mode. Select the desired setting. The more often the location is updated, the faster the battery will drain. You can manually update the GPS location at any time by tapping the search icon on the home screen. Activate safety zone. Click on geofence. Click on the plus sign. Tap the correct spot on the screen. Name the location and set the size. Press OK. You will now receive a notification every time the device enters or leaves the area. Very practical for early-stage dementia. If you have any further questions, we're happy to help. Go to koos.shop/contact for help.